Question number 2. If f of x is equal to a over x minus 1 plus x minus 1 and f of 2 is equal to 2 times f of negative 1, then what is the value of a? So let's find f of 2 and 2 times f of negative 1 separately and set them equal to each other. F of 2 is when x is 2, that's a over 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, right? So that is equal to a plus 1. F of negative 1 is equal to a over negative 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, right? So that is equal to a over negative 2 minus 2. Now, since f of 2 is equal to 2 times f of negative 1, we have a plus 1 is equal to 2 times f of negative 1 right here. So a over negative 2 minus 2, right? So that's a plus 1 is equal to negative a minus 4. So 2a is equal to negative 5. So a is equal to negative 5 over 2.